So we have the carrots. I don't know what happened there, viewers, but it went off. So once again, that is beginning to cook. So something that I always add to give it even more flavour is onions and tomatoes. So if we could put some onions and tomatoes in there. Onion first, I think. So apologies again, viewers, this is in two parts. I do hope you will watch both parts. So these are the final touches. So like I said, as well as this, we are going to add tomatoes and cheese. Okay, so the onions have got in, and now we're going to add some tomatoes. Okay, so once again we're going to let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, viewers, and then finally add the cheese. That's cooked nicely there, viewers, so we're ready for our final ingredient, which is cheese. So you can put whatever cheese you like, usually cheddar, but we're going to put these slices in. Okay, again we're going to toss and turn that so that it's nicely blended with what we've cooked. So that is our macaroni, spicy macaroni cheese with vegetables completed, viewers. Okay, so the proof, as it were, is in the eating, so we're going to serve a little bit now. Okay, that's enough for me to taste, I think. As always, I want to give it a taste test, so the vegetables look delicious, as does the macaroni. That is nice and creamy. Lovely, is that? So that's the end of another session, viewers. I do hope you've enjoyed the session. Please keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends about the channel. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Say look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज, अल्लाह निगहबान.